So after W Hotel Times Square, we moved to W Hotel Union Square for 2 nights because we want to feel the different vibes in different area. So we got the cool corner suite 705. I want to request for a higher floor, but the hotel is under renovation and they don't have anything higher available tonight. So we'll just take this room. So welcome to our cool corner suite. So as you can see, we're at 705, one of the largest room here. And when I walk in, on the left hand side, they already have a closet area. And then they have the mini bar, fully stocked mini bar. Of course, you have to pay for it, but at least it's fully stocked. And then a mini fridge with some drinks that you can get in the evening if you want to. And then the work desk area. And then they have the mixer and the mixing glass. So very W. You know, the TV is a bit smaller. And then this is the living room. So you can see there are some design elements, you know, like the mirror with the frames, you know, the lead chair, I call it, you know, a designer chair. And then matching up the designer chair of the design is the sofa and the area. So I just want to show you very quickly the full size of the living room plus the work desk area. So here it is. Okay, so walking in, there is another closet with the bathroom, and then on this side is the safe deposit box with the extra pillow on top. And then on the right hand side actually is a very spacious bathroom. So they do have the bathtub and then the shower. And then this is the room. So for the amenities, and then facing the green market, which they are going to open tomorrow morning. So pretty spacious bathroom. And then coming in, this is the corner bedroom. Actually, again, with the nice mirror with the frame, and then the designer lamp on the 2 sides. The television is a bit smaller, but it's okay. And then the chair, and then you can put another piece of luggage here. So this is the size of the bedroom. Okay, so actually I like this suite better, but my husband liked the Times Square muffler suite better. He thinks it's more modern, but I think this one is more designish and more classy. So we have different tastes, but at the end of the day, we are staying in 2 different areas that we go to different places and enjoy ourselves in New York. So this is our short room description, room tour of W Hotel in Union Square. So I'm going to share more information about New York later. See you.